So, this is Adam Carey, and I'm going to give a quick presentation or demonstration on how to access Google Presentation or Google Slide. The easiest way for me, since I already have a Google account, is just go up to Google Apps, go to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you left click on My Drive, scroll down to Google Slides, hover over the arrow, and let's just start off with a blank presentation. So once you're here, you can change the title of the presentation. Let's just do, um, I plan on teaching social studies. Um, so let's just assume that this is a World War II presentation. So I saved it there, changed the title up there. And I don't want to make this demonstration really long, so we're just going to pretend that there's 3 students working on the project: Jim Brown, myself, and Bob Ross. Alright, so what I wanted to demonstrate is just how to open up a presentation or a Google slide. The most important thing that I want to demonstrate really quickly here is that you can save this presentation to Google Drive, but the most important thing I want to demonstrate is how to share it. So you can go up to File and hit Share. Let's say that I've worked on the presentation and I need Jim Brown or Bob Ross to add their portion to the presentation for the group project. So I can enter in their email address, or I can simply get the shareable link up here, click that, copy that, Control C, and then I can, if I had their phone number or something, I could even text this to them if I wanted to, but I can copy the link. I could send it to them over Facebook if I had them added on Facebook. There's just a bunch of different ways now to share presentations amongst the students. So it's not like everybody has to work on the same computer or stay after school and work on projects anymore. So, since this is free, anybody with internet access can create a Google account and set this up at home. And so that's why I think I would use Google Presentation quite often in the classroom, honestly, is that it's free and almost everybody has internet connection nowadays. So if kids wanted to after school, they can work on this and send their presentations back and forth amongst each other and work on that kind of stuff. So some kind of neat features that I want to show really quick before this demonstration is over is that some things that I learned this week about Google Presentation is that you can do some image searching within the presentation itself without having to open up a new tab and go to Google Images or something. I know right now you can't see all the tabs that I have open, but that gets kind of ridiculous. So if I wanted to search really quick, I could upload my own pictures if I had any from World War II saved on my computer, or I can search the web really quick. So it actually opened up Google Images in the presentation itself, which is pretty nice. So let's say I wanted to get a tank or something, World War II tank, picture of a tank. I could search that, and there, I don't know, that looks like a Sherman, American tank. So we can slide that over. Obviously, probably don't want that on the front page, so we'll delete that really quick. New slide. And let's say that you wanted to start off by talking about the weapons in World War II, so that were different from World War One. I believe there were actually tanks in World War One at the very end, but they weren't anything like in World War II with the advancements that they made. So you can search for images. You can save it up here, file. You can download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint if you wanted to. You can save it to your Google Drive, or you can just share it. You can go to share, get shareable link once again. So I don't want to make this presentation that long, so I just wanted to show how to open up a presentation and then share it amongst classmates. So Hopefully, I've done that in this presentation, and yeah, have fun with Google presentation. I have so far, so